Are you tired of salads that taste like a donkey's dinner? Do you think healthy eating means choking down flavorless bowls of rabbit food? Listen up, you lot. It's time to ditch the diet and discover delicious food that nourishes your body and doesn't leave your taste buds bored. We're going to transform those sad, wilted excuses for meals into vibrant, delicious salads that are as good for your waistline as they are for your taste buds. That's right, you heard me. We're talking weight loss salads that even would devour. Get ready to learn the secrets of building the perfect salad from the base to the dressing and discover combinations you never thought possible. We're bringing the flavor back, one crunchy, colorful salad at a time. Now listen up, you Muppets. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is drowning your salad in a gallon of thick, creamy dressing. It's like taking a bath in mayonnaise and completely defeats the purpose of a healthy meal. A light drizzle of a flavorful vinaigrette is all you need. And while we're at it, let's talk about those sad, soggy leaves. Freshness is key. No one wants to eat a salad that's been sitting in the fridge longer than your granny's fruitcake. Crisp, vibrant greens are essential for a salad that's as appealing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Another crime against salads? Texture, texture, texture. You need a bit of crunch, a bit of creaminess, and some interesting elements to keep those taste buds engaged. Don't you dare serve me a bowl of limp lettuce and call it a day. And for God's sake, season your food. Salt and pepper are your friends, not the enemy. A sprinkle of herbs, a squeeze of lemon. These are the things that elevate a good salad to a bloody brilliant one. Stop treating your salads like an afterthought, a punishment for enjoying yourself. With a little effort, you can create dishes that are exciting, satisfying, and good for you. Now get to it. First up, we have a fiery little number I call the Spicy Shrimp Fiesta. We're talking juicy, perfectly grilled shrimp tossed with fresh avocado, crunchy romaine lettuce, and a spicy lime dressing that will blow your socks off. High in protein, packed with good fats, and bursting with flavor, this salad is a fiesta in your mouth. Next, we're going for a Mediterranean escape with the grilled chicken souvlaki salad. Imagine tender marinated chicken grilled to perfection, nestled on a bed of crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and crumbled feta cheese, all brought together with a light and zesty lemon herb dressing. It's a holiday on a plate. And finally, we have a vegetarian delight that's anything but boring. The roasted sweet potato and chickpea powerhouse. Roasted sweet potatoes bring the sweetness, chickpeas provide the protein, and a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds adds a satisfying crunch. A drizzle of tahini dressing adds a nutty richness that will have you coming back for more. Chapter 3. Feast your eyes, a symphony of colors and textures. Look at that vibrant green, those juicy tomatoes practically bursting with flavor, and the way that dressing clings to every single leaf. It's a work of art. We've got crunch, we've got creaminess, we've got colors that would make a rainbow jealous. This isn't just a salad, it's a celebration of fresh, healthy ingredients working together in perfect harmony. And let's not forget about the aromas. The tangy scent of citrus, the earthy aroma of fresh herbs, the subtle heat of chili flakes. It's enough to make your mouth water. Remember, presentation is key. Don't just toss your salad ingredients into a bowl like you're feeding a pack of wolves. Take your time, arrange them with care, and let those beautiful colors and textures shine. These salads are a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. They're proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about creating dishes that are as visually appealing as they are delicious. Now tell me, you lot, what are your favorite salad ingredients? Share your culinary masterpieces in the comments below. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not put your own spin on these recipes? But here's the kicker. For that final salad, the roasted sweet potato and chickpea powerhouse, we're adding a sprinkle of crispy crumbled bacon. Yes, you heard me right, because a little bit of what you fancy does you good. These salads are proof that you can lose weight without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. They're quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to fuel your body and your day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes, and check out the link below for another video you're sure to love.